Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to calculate percentage in Excel. It is very important to learn about percentage. I will show you today the best way to calculate percentage. Okay. So now let me show you how we calculate. What we can see here, we have 30 and 100. Here I want to know the how much would be the 30% of 100. It's very simple. First we will put equal to sign. The process is first what we do. We want to know the 30% of 100. So first we'll select the cell 30 and how much we want to know the percentage of how much would be 30% of 100. So we will have to divide with the 100. So let's select the 100. Now you can see we have got 0.3. What we will do, just simply convert this with percentage sign. Just click here in percentage, so it will convert it 30%. So 30% of 100 would be 30%. One more way to calculate, just put equal to sign. You can manually also divide 30 with 100. So we have got the result. Just convert it to percentage, 30%. All right. So let's try the third method. The best part to calculate percentage would be do one thing, first click on percentage. All right. Now simply we will do click on this cell divided by 100. So you can see it has directly given the result. And the best part about this method is if you make any changes, then you will not have to go and make the changes in your formula. It will simply reflect the result over here. See, if I put 25 here, and you can see it is showing 25%. If I put 22 here, it is showing 22%. So this way it is very easy to understand and calculation will be more easier for you. 300, 7%. More thing, like when we are making changes, this value and this value getting this value and this value are getting changed, but not this one. Why? Because this is hard code. Here we have manually calculated, you can see, and on this section and this section we have applied formula. Let me show you the F2. See, when I'm pressing F2, it is reflecting the formula. We have manually typed the formula here. That's why it is getting changed. All right. So whenever you work on data, always prefer formula. When you make changes, then it will reflect on all over the data. And if you want to change here, then you will have to manually type. Have to just make changes like 30. How much would be a percent to 30 by 200? So it will work like this. And let me repeat it again. So what you will do if you want to know the percentage of any particular amount, like if you want to know that 22%, how much would be the 22% of 300, then what we will do, we will divide 22% with 300. And if you have not directly put percentage on your cell, then you can convert it later after getting the value. All right. Always remember this, and this is the very easiest way, like I shown you. First click on percentage and simply divide with this. Just click on cell, it will give you the data with the percentage. All right. And you want to know the result without percentage sign. If you want to calculate without percentage sign, then simply put equal to sign. You will have to select this 22%. divided by 300 multiply 100. You can see it is showing 7.3. It is, we will remove the decimal. So to remove the decimal, you will have to click here. Now it is 7 now. Now you can see it is also 7. This is the salary data. Here I want to know the PF amount. Like let's suppose company provides 5% of your salary. What will we do? First select the salary, then multiply how much we need, 5%. 5%. So you can see here we have got the result. You click on this hover box here, click on. When you can see plus sign, then just double click. It will show you the rest of the data. For 10%, then we will calculate the same way. First select salary, multiply 10%, 5,000. Drag your mouse. It will provide the rest of the data. All right. This is all for today. Today we have covered about how to calculate percentage in Excel with different ways. I hope I am able to make you understand. Do like, comment and share if you think a video was worth and you learned something with this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. See you again soon with a new video.